Hello guys, welcome to Cruise Control. The new WRX was set to be revealed at 6 a.m. this Friday, but the in-person event it was supposed to make its big debut at the 2021 New York Motor Show was cancelled at the proverbial last minute, raising questions on whether Subaru would change its plans. A Subaru spokesperson has now confirmed to US publication Castbooks that the sports sedan's reveal is currently up in the air due to the COVID-related cancellation, with its new timing and location not confirmed at this stage. Needless to say, it's only a matter of time until the new Toyota GR Yaris and Volkswagen Golf R rival take center stage somewhere, likely digitally, with a live stream ironically planned from the outset, anyway. Either way, the WRX's Australian launch was also recently delayed, with it now expected to local enter showrooms in the first quarter of next year. While little is official regarding the sports sedans, the rumor mill has given us a good idea of what to expect, with it all but confirmed to use a new 2.4-liter turbo petrol boxer 4-cylinder engine with about 220 kilowatts of power. For reference, the 4th generation model's 2-liter unit produces 197 kilowatts. Naturally, Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system will be a fixture in the WRX, likely alongside two transmission options, a 6-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission (CVT). Furthermore, the sports sedan is set to use the now ubiquitous Subaru Global Platform (SGP), which brings with it several performance upgrades, including adaptive dampers that would add further adjustability to its drive modes. Of course, the WRX will form the basis of the next WRX STI, which is expected to up power to around 300 kilowatts while foregoing the CVT option for just the traditional 3-pedal setup. Whether you agree or disagree with my views, I love to read your comments. Thanks for watching, and stay safe everyone.